This video this video is going to be an update on my fabric cobbling on the farm video. And you see this snowmobile right here? That was in that video. The box that Matthew made for it is right there. I'm just wondering, does the vet sell Gas X? Maybe you should look into that. Just saying. This is Matthew's next project. He's going to build a diamond plate custom box back there for this guy to use for his fishing stuff. Yes, it is Saturday, October 17th, and we are getting snow. Anyway, here it is. Here's the fancy box.
Double latching box.
Yeah. Man, that is nice. Put a reinforcing, what is that, square tubing around the inside of the top?
1/4 inch pin piano hinge, full length across.
Oh yeah, that
gauge aluminum.
That piano hinge was quite the deal, but that's what the guy wanted. So yeah, this is just going to sit up on there. Actually, it's backwards from what it's gonna be.
Full top's gonna be covered cutting board, high density plastic. It's on its way. There's gonna be an auger mount on top of there too for hauling auger in.
Ice auger mount, yeah. And people down south, they don't know what that is. Yeah, this is his Canadian ice fishing thing. He goes up and fishes with Skidder Kev. Yeah, right.
No, I'm pretty sure he doesn't.
I'm pretty sure he doesn't.
But yeah,
Skidder Kev's kind of a big YouTuber guy, and people are, they can't get in touch with him. But
you wanted to go this way because the sled gets dragged in all that slush, and you can't skim over the top of it, so it's just awful traveling. And this way, you can portage between the lakes and not
portage. Are you French? Yeah, you did a nice job. Trying to make this, right? Out of steel. Man, I just wish they had a track available. I'll probably end up fixing this so good that it'll never get fixed right. No, that'll never happen, right? So here's the deal. This track is not in good shape. See all the cracks? Uh-oh. You say just buy a new track. Yeah, I tried. It's a month before the next shipment comes in. And I'm on a waiting list. Well, it didn't take long to break one of these, did it? I broke that bolt right there. Why can't you flip the track around? You see how this works? They only catch the middle. That's the only place that sprocket catches. It doesn't catch anywhere on the outside on these cogs. And there are no cogs on the inside. Yeah, you knew it wasn't gonna last, right? Did you find out about the Gas X or no? No? Okay, never mind. Coming up to get it. Well, it pays to be a big YouTuber star type guy. Because ASV came through for me and got this track way earlier than they were supposed to. God, it's hard to be humble when you're such a star. Well, we got her in a garage, shop, whatever. This is the track, right? Well, Todd, you always tease me about snow. It's snowing. It's snowing. You guys ever seen that truck before? No, you haven't. Snow. October 15th. Really? It's already backed that nut off. Screwed out. Them threads are good. Look. I'll get those threads. Yeah, so that just happened. It broke off. I thought this is the end that would be turning hard. Not that end. The local superhero broke that end out the cabin, twisting on it. That nut backed off very nicely. I just didn't expect that end to break. No, it's not snowing. It just looks like it. It's still October, boys. It's still October. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. New track. Looking good. Thank you, Matthew, for going and picking that up. Yeah, I just took that bogey wheel off to try to take that adjuster out. We got Dean helping me this morning. Our block is too tall to get under there, so we're gonna have him back up on that. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. All right. Stuck spacer onto this side because we're going to try to get it to rock up. Okay, go forward a little bit. Didn't get any video of that. We can pry this.
Well, it just wants to rock.
I think we can drive it off. This is our first time doing this. So those are the 3 that are left that I fixed. That's the one that got torn out. You know, it really doesn't look that bad, but these weather cracked places. Wrestling an alligator this morning. Yep, that's way stiffer. Way stiffer than that one. Having a hard time wedging that in there. Must be some kind of trick. So I just welded the adjuster back in there. Now we got to put this wheel back on. Oh, I gotta tighten that back up, don't I? Dean's gonna lift it up. We're gonna try and stick this back in there. I took this bogie off because my plan was to take the adjuster out and fix it, and I had to get that pin out of the hub, but the bogie was in the way of getting the pin out, so I didn't end up doing it. The block stuck right in it. There you go. Oh, it's warm from welding up there. Well, this screw's nice now. Yeah, this project went better than we expected. I'm glad I didn't try to do it by myself, I can tell you that. I think it would have been impossible. You definitely need help. So as a side note, Dean came up with a theory as to why that broke. So it hinges back there and it pushes the drive motor up. That's what tensions the track. Anyway, the drive motor had gone down as far as it could because that was hitting on that wheel, so it couldn't go anymore. And I saw all these threads here, and I just kept screwing, and I think what I did was this bottomed out and that just pulled apart. I think that's what happened. At least that's my story. Dean's idea, his theory. I agree with it. I think it has substance to it. Wow, never mind. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Wait, as soon as I say that, you turn? Really? See, I wanted to do this before the sun went down, although my camera does pick up light very well. Well, you're not come. Are you okay? You okay? No? Yeah? Shake. How many fingers am I holding up? Doctor! Is there a doctor in the pasture?